Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to sell on Shopify for beginners. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Step 1. Set up your Shopify account. Shopify is built for technically challenged individuals. It's by far one of the easiest platforms to add products, create discounts, and process orders, and it all starts by getting and setting up your Shopify account. The first step on how to sell on Shopify is to register an account on shopify.com, then sign up a matter of seconds. For starters, begin with a 14-day free trial first. It won't require a credit card to sign up successfully. Step 2. Enter a domain address. A domain is a URL that links to your website, such as howto1minute.com. It is what customers will type when they look for your store online. In Shopify, a primary domain is given to you, like the domain name that visitors see in the address bar while they browse your website. As a default setting, your primary domain is written as examplestore.myshopify.com, but you can purchase a different custom domain or connect a custom domain that you already own. You can choose your root domain or a subdomain as your Shopify store primary domain, but you can have only one primary domain. Step 3. Select a Shopify theme. Your Shopify theme is what your customers will see when they visit your store. Thus, choosing an attractive and highly functional theme plays a crucial role in making sure that you're conveying a professional, engaging, and high-quality store. Step 4. Add products. Now that you have got a sleek and good-looking Shopify store, it's time to focus on what really matters on how to sell on Shopify: your products. You can't be an online store with anything to sell. This step is probably the most time-consuming portion, but it really requires your full, undivided attention. Your products are what will generate your revenue. Without a highly curated product selection, your potential customers won't convert. Step 5. Install apps to support and expand your business. Shopify is very flexible and easy to customize. With a large number of Shopify apps, you can extend the functionality of your online store for you to sell more and grow faster. An app will help you enhance your Shopify store and embrace new technology trends to help you keep up and survive the e-commerce industry. Step 6. Market your business and optimize for conversion. Last step on how to sell on Shopify is marketing and optimization techniques. Marketing will help you drive a steady flow of traffic into your site, but you also need to make sure that you continue to optimize your site to increase your conversion. So this is how a beginner can start selling on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.